So here at IBC, we're introducing the latest update to our CC products. So we introduced in May the original CC release, and that was our first major release under the new Creative Cloud umbrella. And at that point, we had, tons of features across the full product line. And here, just a few months later, we're introducing more than 150 new features in Premiere, After Effects, Prelude, SpeedGrade, and Adobe Story. It's a really exciting time for us because the new Creative Cloud model makes it possible for us to deliver innovation at a much faster rate and get features that will make a difference into the hands of customers really, really quickly. One of the features I'm most excited about is the new direct link between Premiere and SpeedGrade. So 2 years ago at IBC, we announced the acquisition of Iridas, which made SpeedGrade, which was a high-end color grading product. And we bought SpeedGrade because it had the Luma color engine and some of the best color technology available anywhere in the industry. And what we've done with this feature in this release is make that capability, that amazing color science, available to every Premiere Pro editor in a workflow that is fast, direct, and really easy. And that makes it possible for editors who are working under time and budget pressure to get better results more quickly and more efficiently. And it's just amazing how good SpeedGrade can make any footage look. I would expect that this will be a very popular feature because in the May release, we introduced the ability to add LUTs and Luma looks to footage right in Premiere. And what this new capability means is that you have the ability to very quickly go into SpeedGrade and adjust and fine-tune the looks that you've applied and the LUTs that you've applied in Premiere. And that gives you a whole new depth of capability. We've also added the ability to have multiple masks in a look in SpeedGrade. So you can mask out part of an image and then add a vignette on top. That's never been possible before. SpeedGrade makes it so easy and just makes your footage look beautiful. Another feature that we've introduced in this release that every After Effects artist is just going to be jumping for joy about is the ability to track masks. So we've had rotoscoping, we've had masking, but what this allows you to do is draw a mask on an adjustment layer and track the movement of an element below that. It's really, really nicely implemented. It's a one-click feature and it will save anybody who works in After Effects regularly hours on every project. It's really beautifully done. So one of the things that we're also really excited about at this show is the introduction of Ultra HD, which is gaining momentum as an industry trend, and we are way ahead of the curve on that. One of the strengths of Premiere is its native format support. So we support, almost every camera format natively, and that means that for our customers, they don't have to ever transcode. You can mix any kind of media right on the timeline and do it in a really fast and efficient way. And with Ultra HD, we're adding, native cinema DNG support for the Red Dragon footage, and a host of other formats as well. It's a really exciting moment, and we think that that trend towards higher resolution as a sort of everyday part of production is going to continue to accelerate, and we're building the tools that will help the next generation of content look gorgeous and be really efficient to produce. We're really focused on making sure that we work directly with our partners who are camera manufacturers to support the innovation that they're doing on the acquisition side. And as more and more people have HD and higher resolution acquisition just in their pocket all the time, we're seeing an explosion in the kinds of content that people are creating. And we have, at this point, the best tool set available to turn that content into really compelling entertainment. The Creative Cloud has been a really fantastic experience for us on the product teams because it really allows us to respond quickly to changes in the industry and to deliver capabilities to our customers more quickly than we've ever been able to do before. And we're really excited because we believe that the best way for us to innovate as a company is to listen to our customers. And the new subscription model makes it easier for us to do that and to deliver, features to people more quickly than we've ever been able to do before.